Who would have thought that it would be the racist DA out of all other political parties that has a stance that says no to further VAT increases? And the ANC would be the one that is in favor of further increasing the VAT and piling more misery and suffering on the people of this country. This exposes the ANC furthermore. The ANC, under its current leadership, does not care about the people at all. Even the DA, with its stance of saying it is against the increase of VAT, they are not doing that because they genuinely care about the people, but it is a strategic political move that seeks to expose the ANC and put it in a situation whereby it is further exposed to the public. And then the return of that is that those who are clueless will believe that the DA is the better alternative than the ANC, because they will be saying that the DA is the one that was against the VAT increase. And with us hearing murmurings saying that the ANC is threatening that it will just go and approach the EFF if the DA persists in disagreeing with the increasing of VAT. This must not fool us. One thing is for sure, the DA will never leave the GNU. Another thing is for certain, the EFF wishes and wants to be part of the GNU, and the EFF will not let any opportunity pass by that will make them part of the GNU. That is one thing that we cannot dispute. This means that even if it means hypothetically the DA leaves the GNU, the EFF will join the GNU in a hurry, and the EFF will agree to maybe the 1% increase of VAT instead of 2%. So, this basically tells us that we are in an era of politics of power. People must be vigilant and pay close attention to who is really fighting